your wine glass might actually be ruining your wine experience. Here's why. Number one, in terms of micro scratches and surface wear to the glass, this can have a negative effect on your wine experience. So therefore, always make sure to use sponges and brushes that are made for delicate materials such as crystal glass or glass in general. Number two, if you're washing your wine glasses in a dishwasher, one of these wine glass holders for your dishwasher might be a great pickup. So what this does, it locks your wine glasses in place inside the dishwasher. So you easily pop them in like this and you lock them down, and then they are safe inside the dishwasher. Very, very cool thing to buy. Number three, drying actually also affects the taste of your wine. So when you're drying your wine glasses, you want to make sure that you remove any old water residue from the wash and also chalk and everything else that can have a negative effect on your drinking experience. Number four, so hygiene matters more than you think. If you are using dirty water, for example, to clean your wine glasses, of course, this can have an effect as well on the wine taste when you use it afterwards. So, I mean, a good tip, have a little sniff of the glass. If it smells bad, your wine is going to smell bad too.